morning, evening, noon, night. The time of day is something there. Every video is something there. So before we get into the actual video, I want to start off by saying happy birthday to Minister Marianne Hall, formerly known as Lady Star. She's 55 and I'm wishing her all the best. Now today's video we have the taxi driver apologizing for his recklessness.
Afternoon, one and all, afternoon the nation. I am Calvin Cameron, the driver that was in the viral video, being sitting in a passenger's lap, which it was a careless and reckless act. I'm here with the Transport Authority. I'm apologizing to the nation. I'm letting you all know this is not a regular occurrence and this is something that will never happen again. So I'm apologizing to one and I'm apologizing to all. Please accept my apology.
So yesterday I was on my way to work and I took a video of me in the taxi. And boy, usually I would have my ride to work or I would Uber to work, but this morning I was already on the road with my mom and dad and I passed the bus stop, so I said, you know, let's just take one taxi to work. This was the taxi. Me know how taxi runnings go. This is why I try my best to stay away from them. I was literally the second person in the vehicle. They brought down the seat and I sat in the back and it was a taxi. I'm at the back and you know, more person started to come in, two more men come on the back and I said, alright, there's a taxi in the space so they will not speed up. I see him bring one next vehicle come around there. And I said, 4 away at this part where especially 2 twos Mr. the second row full up, first row full up, and one next lady that come. When him open the front door, I'm like, where the hell is he gonna put her? I see him put her on the driver's seat and sit down in a woman's lap. Now me wear glasses, as I can see. When I take off my glass, come here and say, me not wear bifocal lens. Why me I see two somebody in the driver's seat? So me catch my friend. Because I never been seen nothing like this yet with all my years of taking taxi. I can't even ask Jesus to take the wheel because I tree somebody that would end up in the driver's seat. So I take up my phone and I start a video. Come and I say, alright, in case car turn over with me and gone a bush. You know, my family will know, so alright, this is the vehicle that Jhazahra was in, or we can find the Empress. You understand? That's literally the only reason why I posted the video, because I was so scared. Looking back now, I can laugh at it, but at the time, you know, I'm pissed at myself. And there are so many persons in the comment section saying, Mother come out, please. Do a demonstrative video and show me how you get out of a moving vehicle that's going 100 miles per hour on the toll. Because apparently, me now follow the instructions. I'm also shocked at the amount of people who were in the comment section bashing me, and even in my DMs saying, me I put the driver's license at risk. I'm going to make Transport Authority find the man. And I'm like, did he care about his license when he was putting my life at risk? I think not. But I don't have nothing against the driver. I've never met him before, never been in his vehicle. And I actually wish him all the best. But you know, weird ones, like, stop coming foolishness and get out my DMs. Like, people are literally like threatening me. Tomorrow, you're gonna have one next video come out. We have 5 up on the front and one of them sit down on the windowsill and the driver use them like as armrest. It won't be the last. Somebody tag Toyota, Nissan, Volkswagen, Benz, Porsche. Somebody tag one of them, please. Or if we in the comment section can just come together form a little charity, and you know, the Jhazahra Foundation, and just, you know, run up on the money and see if we can buy more car. Another subgroup, you know, like the one that would get all people likes, we can form one different group so we can sort out the insurance and the licensing and so on. God bless you, know, what good.